a 20-minute time limit is for the TBS Championship. Introducing the challenger from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightingale.
Well, we are joined here at the desk by absolute Ricky Starks, but before we get to that, this past Wednesday, Willow Nightingale picking up a huge victory in the trios match. Willow Nightingale pinning Penelope Ford, giving the win to Athena, Willow, and the AEW Inter-Women's World Champion Toni Storm.
A storm is coming.
And her opponent from Vero Beach, Florida, she is the TBS champion, Jade Cargill.
And Willow may be the people's favorite here in DC, but Ricky Starks, Jade Cargill is a force of nature.
Oh my God, 583 days and counting, unbeaten record right there. Pretty amazing if you ask me.
And there we see Kiera Hogan, Layla Gray, the baddies, ever present by Jade Cargill's side. And Tony, it was a very interesting development this past Wednesday when Willow Nightingale called out Jade Cargill for Battle of the Belts.
Well, she said, and I was standing there, she wanted a shot at the TBS title. Here comes Jade. She did not back down. She being Willow, JR. And you really can't back down, can you? If you want to get a title, you got to take the fight right to the champion.
You know, squeaky wheel gets greased.
Yeah, man.
It's been that way in pro wrestling forever. Raise hell, you squeak loud enough, long enough, often enough. Here's where you go.
Uh-oh. Collar and elbow tie-up. Jade using her power to walk Willow back to the corner.
Jade cannot overlook Willow Nightingale. As far as Willow's not been around that long.
No, and these two met, it was actually June 17th earlier this year, and in a very short time, JR, Willow Nightingale has become a more confident, a much different athlete than she was back in June.
Yeah, she's got her some wins, Excalibur, and that builds hope. Builds hope and confidence.
I need to say something. After the match that we just saw, watching that match in the back, waiting on the talk to Jericho, that was a remarkable match. It makes me very proud to be a part of AEW as those guys put their careers on the line each and every time they come out.
Well, except for the systematic cheating at the end.
Well, that, you know what? Baloney to that. Baloney to Chris Jericho. There's no place for that at all.
Ho-ho. Jade Cargill, the TBS champion, in control of the challenger, but Willow, nice shotgun drop kick to the corner. And Ricky, I've seen you interacting with the hashtag Jade Brand on social media. Do you have any insights into Jade's preparation for this match? Wait a second, cover here.
Cover.
Oh, I can tell you this, as many push-ups as she can get. I counted as far as 39. 39 push-ups she's got. I don't know if she did it on purpose, but uh-oh.
Now one more win, it'll be 39 tonight.
Swing and a miss. Willow ducked under.
Look at that pickup.
Oh, wait, Willow lands on her feet behind Jade, and Jade sent to the outside.
You know, Jared, Willow's quicker than you think, isn't she?
She sure is. Got a good first step.
Uh-oh, wait a minute.
Gotta take her eyes off the prize here.
And holy smokes. Willow, she took out the baddies, but she missed Jade Cargill.
Jade dodged the old proverbial bullet there, Ricky.
Oh my God, that's what you need friends for, huh?
But Willow fired back with a big elbow strike. And now Akaza, look at that! Oh my goodness! This TBS Championship match continues in picture-in-picture. Can Willow Nightingale upset the champ? Live here tonight, Battle of the Belts 4. Jade Cargill with the upper hand on Willow Nightingale. Boom! Just clobbered the chicks.
Here we go, Willow.
Don't look around. Go back to the attack, girl.
Yeah, make contact. Engage. Try to impose your will, and good things might happen.
The reversal into the ropes. Jade through a wild clothesline attempt, and that's the Tijeras. Jade Cargill got sent for a ride, and Willow Nightingale's feeling it here.
Knife edge.
Yes, I think she knocked her up off her feet that time.
Yeah, that speaks to the power of Willow Nightingale. The cannonball in the corner. Willow.
Gotta go for the cover. You're doing great damage, Willow.
Be careful here.
Perched on the middle rope, drop kick.
Here we go.
Can she do it? 1, 2, oh. Willow Willow had the cover, but Jade Cargill maybe trying to send a message there to the challenger.
Dropping the straps.
Great fire and tenacity by Willow here.
Dropping the straps. Where's Lawler when you need it?
Willow looking for the doctor bomb. Oh. That's how she finished off Penelope Ford this past Wednesday night. Jade went for the pump kick. Willow comes through looking for the Tejeras once again. Oh my God! Jade planted Willow.
A lot of strength and power, and that just builds the confidence of the champion.
Yeah, right. And here we go.
Here we go.
The arms are jaded. Willow gets planted, and 1, 2, 3.
Winner of this match and still the TBS champion, Jade Cargill.
Very competitive, fellas. Very, very competitive.
And Jade Cargill.
Unmistakably.
Oh, my ears.
Dogs are barking all over DC.
Wait a minute.
Wait. Nyla Rose just grabbed the TBS championship out of... And Nyla's now running off with the TBS championship that belongs to Jade Cargill.
The baddies are in tow. They're chasing her out.
What is happening here?
Robbery.